Okay, this one gonna be a quick one. When you're shipping a mic like a D104, the head comes off. Take the head off. This one survived. I had some that did not survive when they shipped it with the head on. And this is how it came in the box. I took out the wrappings, and here's the head leaning against the box, and it made it, but barely. It could have been easily have broken, and I would have been an unhappy camper with the this Silver K Eagle I bought. It's got pitting and stuff on it. I knew that, but I got it for a good price. This Silver K Eagle with the Roger beeps built into the mic. But again, if you're shipping them, unscrew the head and wrap it separately so we don't end up with stuff like that. That was lucky that that head didn't break off. It was bulging the box out and leaning against it, and just don't do that. Another piece of advice: if you're shipping something with tubes, like a tube amplifier, take the tubes out and wrap them separate also. That'll save a lot of headache and nightmares, especially with tubes, transmitting tubes, because as everybody know, they are very expensive. Okay, that's gonna be it for this one. I told you it would be quick. Ship them right. Take the head off. Take the tubes out. Wrap them separately. Get there safe. Happy holidays. Bye.